What's up, kinks? It is NappyFu all up on your screen, and today is a That Nap Life video. I am doing an Ayurvedic wash day, and I want to show you my updated mix. So if you want to know what's in it, then keep watching. NappyFu checking in. Lego. Thanks for hanging out with your girl again for another blessed Sunday. Today's video was inspired by Green Beauty, so make sure you check out her original video on this ultimate clay wash recipe. And here we go. So for the recipes, you will need a glass bowl, plastic spoon. You also need water, measuring cup, ACV, residue clay, bentonite, and kaolin clay. And of course, for any wash day, you want to have patience. You want to take your time, and please be in a good mood, okay? Now let's get into this mix, y'all. I did modify the recipe just a little bit for my kinks, as you probably will find yourself doing whenever you are making a DIY recipe, okay? So we're going to start with a half cup of water into this glass bowl. You want to use glass, not metal, so it doesn't disturb the clay. Then I'm going to follow with 3.5 teaspoons of ACV. I didn't record it, but off camera, I did add in 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, aloe vera juice. Next, I'm going to take my kaolin clay and put about 4 tablespoons of this. Kaolin clay is very, very good. It actually has the pH of 4.5 to 5.5, which is close to our normal hair pH. Just like the residue clay, the kaolin clay is more moisturizing, and then of course our famous bentonite clay is the most detoxifying of the 3. I'm going to add in a half cup of bentonite clay, and then I'm going to follow in with 8 tablespoons of the residue clay, which has the second highest pH, the first one being bentonite clay. I think the residue clay and kaolin clay are the moisturizing clays of this mix, and bentonite clay is the boss hog, okay? You know, you've been watching about 2 minutes of this video. Are you subscribed yet? It's okay, hit that subscription button. Don't forget the bell next to it so you are notified when I'm all up on your screen. Be subscribed to our team, y'all. Thank you. All right, y'all, so mixing all these clays together is what gives me, and anyone that uses it, the ultimate clay wash recipe. It's a balanced clay wash. You have bentonite clay with its awesome absorption rate and its strong ability to remove positive toxins. Then you have residue clay, which gives you that bomb.com mineral content. Kaolin clay removes negative toxins. So this is one cleanser that will get your hair cleansed without being so rough, okay? Of course, you know, the applicator bottle makes it a lot easier to apply. Now you can add oils, but I personally love to put oils in my deep conditioning step. I feel like that's where it's most beneficial. All right, it's time to apply it to the kinks. And while I happily do that, I'm just gonna do a little chit chat with y'all. Ayurvedic methods is something that a lot of people still kind of, you know, shy away from. Just do your research, y'all. A lot of people who have tried Ayurvedic methods have seen tremendous improvement in their hair. It does take time, it does take patience, it takes some work, but it's very beneficial, and you know that what you put in your hair is natural. You know that every ingredient is made from Mother Nature, from the earth. And for me, I find great satisfaction in knowing that. I do want to warn you not to make your mix too liquidy like I did, because if you do, it's gonna run down your face. Anyway, y'all, so yeah, just apply it all over your hair. I think I went ahead and thickened up my mix off camera. So just work it in like you would a shampoo, y'all. And speaking of shampoo, I am not saying to replace your shampoo with clay, because sometimes you don't have the time to be mixing up no clay washes, right? No clay mixes. So still have your shampoo around, but you know, try to get yourself into clay a little bit more, because clay can also be used for the face. As you can see, you can't apply no shampoo to your face, but you can that clay. Oh, now how long should you leave it on? The longer you leave it on, the more clarifying results you have. I left mine for 30 minutes tops, and that was it, okay? And this is what it is right now. It's all dried up, and I'm cool with that. Now, because I have this face mask on, you know I gotta do some crazy stuff because I look crazy. So don't mind me. I'm just dancing. I'm just getting it. Hey. Anyway, here's the results, y'all. My results were very surprising to me. My hair felt uberly moisturized. Like, I felt like I could stop right here and keep it moving. I would have to say this is one of the best clay mixes I've ever done. So kudos to Green Beauty for the recipe. Although I feel like I could stop right here, I just love using a conditioning step, so I can't skip it. What I ended up doing is using a rinse-out conditioner from Whole Foods instead of my deep conditioner. This is my first time using this rinse-out conditioner from Whole Foods. I always want to see what it's all about. I think the brand is NappyFu. All right, so I have all that applied. I'm gonna hop in the shower, wash my face, and that's how long I left the conditioner on. Girl, if you don't get in that shower, all that dancing. So the rinse out conditioner, it was alright. Not worth me buying again. If YouTube had a way for you to reach through the screen and touch a girl's hair, you're gonna be like, dang. I say, dang. Residue clay and all these other type of nature-made mixes will always give you a different result than the store-bought types, okay? One thing I'm going to say is these type of methods, you have to have the time to make the mix and also put in the effort to study what you're mixing up. Okay, y'all, I've talked about it before. I'm going to always talk about it. I think it's a great way to go when you have the time. When you don't, reach for your bottle of shampoo, reach for your bottle of conditioner. But when you have the time, try to mix some stuff up too. Look at that shrinkage, y'all. Straight out the shower, my hair's already shrunken. Hey, shrinkage. I thought you was my friend, dude. Anyway, this brings us to today's NapChat question. What are your thoughts on Ayurvedic hair care? Have you ever tried it? Will you ever try it? If you will never try this stuff, let me know why in the comment box below. Trust me, your response will definitely help another natural out. Thanks, kinks. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please go ahead and help your girl out by hitting that subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell right next to it so you can be notified the next time that I am all up on your screen. Also, if you're bored during the week, come on and hang out with me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, all of that. And I will catch y'all on the next one. Until then, remember, my brother, my sister, my cousin, my auntie, to have healthy hair, you must do healthy things consistently. NappyFu checking out. Deuces. If I told you you were beautiful, 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 if I told you you were